Hey guys, Andrethefarmer here, and we are going to make some tepache today. If you're not familiar with tepache, tepache is a Mexican drink, and it's made from the skin of a pineapple. This is the pineapple that we harvested from the garden a couple days ago. We've taken off the top and we've already replanted that, but we're going to go ahead and make the tepache. We've got everything we need here. We've got pineapple, we've got some ginger. This is frozen ginger from the garden from last year. We've got cinnamon. Now my cinnamon tree is not big enough to produce cinnamon, so this is actually store-bought cinnamon. And then we've got some sugar. You can use honey, you can use cane syrup, you can use whatever you want, anything sweet, but you need that sugar. It's gonna help the fermentation process, and it's also just gonna help it taste good. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and cut this pineapple up, and we're gonna use the skins that we've already scrubbed. We're gonna put them in there, and that's gonna be our tepache. Add our sugar, and I don't like to measure, I just like to put the amount that feels good. It's pretty good. Just going to dissolve our sugar. Alrighty, and we're going to add our pineapple skins. And we also have the core in here as well. Beautiful. We've got our sugar, our pineapple skins, and our pineapple core. We are going to slice up a little bit of this frozen ginger. I like ginger in pretty much every drink that I have, so ginger's always part of it. And that's a good amount of ginger right there. We're going to put our cinnamon sticks. You can put as many as you like, flavor it however you like. And we're gonna fill that all the way to the top there. And we're gonna add our fermentation weights. And that's just gonna help keep everything down so that it's not getting a lot of oxygen in there and it stays pretty anaerobic. And then we're just gonna get like a towel, put it over top of this, and we're gonna let that sit for a couple days. 4 days in, and our tepache looks well fermented. We're gonna get a strainer. Gotta have everything. All right, here we go. I'm gonna pour it. And what's left behind, we can throw this in the garden. We can go feed our bananas. If we have things like blueberries that love acidic things, we can give this to them. I'll probably just throw this to my bananas. But here we have it. This is our tepache. We're gonna pour ourselves a glass. Probably could use a little ice, but we're gonna give it a try like this. That's absolutely delicious. It's got a little fizz, feels a little carbonated. Really good stuff. All right, see you guys, bye.